question.
Shoot, bro.
One day, elephant and ant went for a bike ride and they met with an accident. Elephant got injured badly, but ant got escaped without any injuries. How?
I don't know, yaar.
Because ant was wearing a helmet.
Oh my god!
It's so boring. Bro, just wait a few more days.
Aww.
Let me ask you something. Okay. Ant and elephant were playing hide and seek. Elephant was counting and ant hides inside the temple. I see. Elephant caught ant immediately after counting. How? No idea, bro. Elephant saw the sandals of ant outside the temple. Oh my god! Hey bro, what's up? Cool bro. Today I have a question for you. Oh, that's great. Ant and elephant went to sleep. Oh, I'm also sleepy. Ant fell asleep immediately, but elephant could not. Why? I don't know why he couldn't sleep. Because ant was snoring. Oh God! Nya 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 nya. Hey bro, where are you going? Just going to meet Tejas. Meanwhile, let me ask you a question. Okay. Two ants were walking on a road when they saw one elephant coming from the opposite side. One ant told another ant, let's go and beat him up.
Oh really? They are going to fight?
Let me complete the question, bro. What did the other ant told her?
Let's go and fight!
Come on, bro. The other ant told to her that, no, forget it, yaar, he's alone. Oh my god! Hey bro, where are you going? City center. City center? Let me ask you one thing. Ant and elephant went to city center by bus. Oh, like me! While getting down from the bus, suddenly elephant fainted. Oh, poor elephant! By watching this, ant also fainted. Why? I don't know. Because ant was thinking he need to lift the elephant on his shoulder and take him to the hospital. OMG! Hey bro, what a pleasant day today. Oh yeah! Bro, tell me one thing. What? One day, ant and elephant went to a footwear shop. Ant's shoes was costlier than the elephant. Why?
I know the answer.
Wow, what is it? The shoes was made up of gold. Come on, bro. Let me give you the right answer. Tell me. Because ant has 6 legs and elephant has 4 legs. Oh my god!